Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing a recreation of Jackie Aina's eyeshadow makeup look with the Norvina palette. This is what we have here. She's a little, we gotta stop saying she. Damn, it's brand new almost. And we're gonna do it with a little bit of a twist. There will be some shots happening. And we're gonna do our best. This is an intermediate beginners type of thing. We're not makeup gurus. We don't claim to be. I don't wear makeup on a day-to-day, neither does she.
I never wear makeup.
So this is gonna be our little, not like get ready with us. I mean, you can get ready with us, but
yeah.
we can't promise it'll be any good.
I don't know, especially after a couple of weeks.
So let's just get right into it. And we're gonna be following Anastasia Norvina palette first review video. So we're just gonna follow whatever she does.
Jackie Aina, thank you so much for joining me on today's video.
Hey. Yes, Jackie. Ooh.
Oh wait, should we do our eyebrows first?
We should.
Start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, while she's talking, actually, yeah.
Let's take a shot.
Today. The palette is
Ready?
out now on AnasTasiaBeverlyHills.com, and it will be live in Ulta, Sephora, and all the other retailers.
We're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows off camera only because it's irrelevant and it takes the most amount of time,
Yeah.
or the least amount of time depending on who you are. But ooh.
So eyebrows done.
Yes.
Let's get into the next step. Jackie, take it away.
Right? Hopefully she. I should take this off.
I love this wig on her too.
I know she looks so
She
beautiful.
looks good in every wig she
What I
does.
see online, first meet Sephora, and all the other retailers make a feature where only subscribers can read. First, I'm gonna take Volatile, which is this taupe, this one here.
So
this
she
taupe
takes
ashy color.
Volatile,
I actually really like those ashy taupe
This is
shades.
this one.
That's one of my favorite crease colors to
On a
use.
crease brush.
So
Yeah,
I think
that
I'm
one.
gonna go with today. So Volatile, I'm blending out into my crease. I'm also finding that
Okay, girl, you know what the crease
so
is?
pigmented,
Yeah.
where like one pad is
Did you
enough,
tap off your brush?
No.
It is going to
Tap
get
it off
back,
a little bit.
There's no how I feel about kickback and fallout and all that good stuff. Doesn't bother me. Actually, since we're talking about that,
I'm like so afraid to do it.
just in case. So this is my crease color, and so far I actually really like this. New favorite crease color is from Morphe M5.
Hold on, she going a little too
Oh,
fast. She
man.
going fast.
Is she doing both her eyes or one at a time?
Me too.
I'm trying
It's
to do
different. Don't do me right. So, just blend, blend, blend. Keep on blending. I have the same exact blending brush, by the way. It's brand new. It's this one. Oh, and this is the Wet n Wild one. This was from like Dollar Tree. It was $1.
This is BH Cosmetics V5.
Ooh, she fancy.
They had a sale, and I went crazy. Even though I don't wear makeup, make it make sense.
That just means you want to.
She tries.
Oof, we looking a little black-eyed over here.
I don't even know what I'm doing, so like.
Let me see.
If you have like tiny
I will give you
eyelids,
a tip though. Don't, if you hold your brush this way, you get a more feathered look, and if you hold it this way, you get a more precise look.
like this. Like a
Yeah,
pencil.
so when you're blending like your crease, you want to hold it out at the end, so that way you can just
Oh,
like
okay.
flick it, you know, it'll give you a better, like you want to hold it close if you're actually trying to pack on the color.
Hear me plug my Morphe code once every 2-3 months-ish, and my Morphe code is EDGES. Yes, that is a real code.
We respect.
Respectfully, thank you. I don't know where those sparkles are coming from. I accidentally popped my brush into the shade Love, and I think some of that is getting in there because those purple sparkles, I don't know where they're coming from. Because I definitely don't see it in Volatile, so.
No sparkles and volatile. She's
no,
mad as
I
fuck.
don't know, man. Love
She places powder, Raven, on her cheeks
this
because
shade.
she places powder on her cheeks for the fallout. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use the
I think I'm almost
Becca Hydra Mist set and fresh. I'm just gonna do it because taking it off. I mean, I don't have a makeup wipe either to take it off. Well, this is the wrong setting powder to do that with. This is my Luxie Precision Foundation brush. Nobody ever uses Luxie brushes for what they really are. FYI, don't judge. That's a known fact. All right, y'all, moving on.
Okay.
Let's do some
Rose
swatching,
gold. That's the prettiest
guys.
rose gold I think I've seen in a long time. That is
You
pretty
see that?
gorgeous.
Oh,
Also,
that's
wild
pretty.
child.
Look
I
at
want to do
this.
something. Let's start with celestial. I'm gonna
We're
take
gonna take this color, Celestial. That's what she uses.
Okay.
On the, what girl? She uses her finger, so we gonna.
These
use
feel
it.
a little less chunkier. Like I felt like too foily. Does that make sense?
I wonder why she does her lid color first. I mean, I guess that it's depends on the artist, but I do my outer color
And
first.
it's so pretty. That's
Maybe she goes
honestly,
in later.
I feel like that's $1 million
It
color.
looks so beautiful on her.
It's showing up more white on camera.
I like that though for all over the lid. So it looks like she's going for a dual chrome. Like on the inner lid, it's Celestial, and then on the outer lid, she goes into Wild Child, I believe. Yeah.
I'm gonna take rose gold.
Oh, she took
and
rose gold.
that's so pretty. That's
This is a
Oh, that's beautiful.
rose gold, right? Look how pretty.
That's so pretty.
It's cute. She does rose gold.
more white on camera, but if I shift it this
It
way,
does have a shift.
that's what I'm saying first. Pink, white,
Oh, maybe
pink,
not.
white. Now let's see what you do.
She puts it like on the bottom, like on the outer corner.
Jackie,
I'm not gonna lie.
the way my lashes sit up, Jackie.
I like that.
Than it is anything else, and low-key, high-key, these are color combinations that I can actually work with. Just put it in the center. I'm gonna go to passion, and I
She put it
don't
in the
feel
center.
like
I put it on the
this is
outer
gonna be
corner.
dark enough for a crease color. I don't feel like.
Wait.
She put it in the center, but I used it on the
Oh,
outer
okay.
corner. So I'm just gonna
I
keep
thought
it
we were lining our
the bottom.
yeah.
Yeah, no. Just go a little higher with it then.
Okay.
I'm gonna use it as my outer. It's fine. We're gonna do a duo shade, a duo color shimmer lid.
Jackie, if you see this,
We're not total
tried.
fails,
I
but we
tried.
tried.
it looks kind of like in Little Mermaid where the sun sets. That thing.
Oh, no one watches The Little Mermaid. So we used Celestial on the lid, and then she went into rose gold. She put it in the center, but we kind of just did the outer corners because we don't pay attention. And now she's going into Passion, which is this color down here. And I think she's gonna put that on the outer corner. So let's just watch.
It is.
We'll swatch that
She's
too.
doing okay, but
What that looks like.
I would personally like her to be a little darker, especially because they're really
Yeah,
these
it's a
rooms are
burgundy.
Like, I feel like they could have.
It made my inner corner darker. It took away that glitter.
A little bit of my crease.
I'm gonna go back into rose gold a little bit and just add to that middle part because it took away a lot.
Oh my gosh. We just
I'm trying to put it down so you guys can see my
We just
face.
living.
And then I'm gonna go back into Celestial. You wanna do everything over, so like the exact way you did it is the way you wanna go back into it. I can't say, I promised I wouldn't say nothing. I'm just not gonna say nothing. Maybe I will, just to help you out. Just
is
blend
what it
this part a
is.
little bit more.
It-
She says something, I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit more just because I don't want it to look too crazy. Stop sighing. Can we take another shot?
Oh, sure.
Dazzling almost looks like the dark version.
There's more colors?
So she's going into Dazzling.
Let's go Wild Child. I feel like
Oh, no. She switched to Wild Child.
It's like a candy pink. That color alone, I feel like would make a sick look. Let's go with Wild Child. I'm gonna
That's
put that
pretty.
right tear down. Right in the innermost. Can't really look like the same color.
So
And
Wild
I
Child.
feel like- I'm gonna go back to Passion and blend that on my bottom lash line.
Jackie, I'm not going back anywhere. I apologize, but I'm not.
Alright, you did yours?
Nope.
Okay. These colors are gorgeous. Now I know why. Shout out to Raven for getting me this palette. Not this Raven, my sister Raven. Honestly, it's one of my favorite palettes ever. Like, you can just turn yourself into a whole fairy. And like, why not?
That's so intense.
You look so profesh. Tapping it off and shit. So then, she
And on the
uses...
inner teardrop,
Oh, wait,
I
hold
want
on.
Celestial.
This
So
was
right
Wild Child. So now she's gonna go back into Celestial and go under the under
I'm gonna
eye.
pop on Sugar Baby Lash from Baby Lash.
Celestial.
Oh.
You just go on. You want to take like a little brush. This is the Luxie Mini Flat Angled. So the Luxie 111. I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit. and go into
Oh my god.
volume.
I look like Tinkerbell threw up on my face.
Good. Oh, volume, not volume.
Alright, I think I'm done. I'm gonna just.
Alright. And then she puts on the lashes. So pick your lash. You want the ones you can barely see, or you want the big ones? Maybe go for the bigger ones since you have small eyelids. I have,
I need a shot before this.
BRB. Take the shot, let's go. To lashes. Ooh. Oh god.
Yowza.
I will probably link all these down below for y'all. We're just gonna throw on mascara because we didn't prepare ourselves for lashes.
Oh, I have mascara. I actually have it. Wait.
So I'm just gonna go in with the cult fan favorite, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
I got something basic, but I have the Maybelline Great Lash, an oldie, but a goodie. It's literally all I wear.
I love Maybelline. Like, I remember being in like high school, everyone was on that thick black eyeliner trend, and I remember running out in like days because I was putting so much on at a time. And like the minute I saw that it wasn't matte black, I was like, we have to make her black. I have to be popular. I have to fit in with the other girls who look hip, but you know.